Hey y'all, Sneakle. Another YouTube video. What is it about? Pokemon, a little bit. 3D printing, a little bit. You can see behind me, selfie camera. 3D printing's rolling. That's it. Print me out some stuff. And they're probably like, what is this? Well, it's I'll show you what it is. This right here, printing me some Pokemon. I gotta break them out of their support. Yeah, this is Pokemon, and then they're gonna be some bases that they're gonna sit on. It's gonna be a chessboard, right? Also some more Pokemon. So I'm gonna have some chessboard full of Pokemon. Spray paint them. All right. I know you want to see. Well, I don't have the finished product, of course. Let's see here. Whew. I can show you some pictures. See these guys right here? Yeah. You know, then I'm gonna just need to paint them. Just gonna need to paint them. See that beautiful PS5 controller? Anyway, that's all I had. Short video. Doing some 3D prints. Holla at your boy. Doing my master's program, so got some cool work to attend to. All right, see ya. Peace.